Greetings, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about my Journey Through Grief book. This here is an amazing tool to help you move through your grief. And this is a journal. Absolutely. This is a journal, and it comes with added prompts so that it will help you move forward through your grief. Sometimes when we write, we don't know what to write, or we don't know what's going to help us when we move through our grief. So in this book, A Journey Through Grief, which is available on Amazon, this will help you with prompts so you can move through your grief. It also preserves memories of your loved ones as well. So in this little book, there's stuff like how to use this journal, and personal reflections. That's like how you are dealing with the grief and the loss, and reflections of love, kind of like these little light reflections that are all over. It's because I have this really cool crystal, like this little thing, see? And it lets off a lot of light. So every now and then I get a little glittery, get a little sparkle. And then we have reflections of love. I love the reflections of love because it helps preserve some of the memories of the people that I lost. Also, there's a devotional in this as well in the back. And sometimes when people do this book, it's kind of interesting because they start in the beginning and then they float all over through the book, and maybe they feel like doing a devotional today, or maybe they feel like writing about their loved one. But I think it's really important that we write every single day. And when you go through this book, I really would like for you to really think about what you're writing. Don't just write something just because you want to write in your book, but think about it, process it, and this book will help you move forward on your journey through grief. So I hope you'll check it out. Like I said, it's available on Amazon. I'll try and add the little link down below. Hope you like my videos. Please like and subscribe.